Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something that promises to help you make money online quickly and easily. It's called the Emergency Income Kit, or EIK for short. Let's get into it. So what exactly is the EIK? It's a digital product featuring 28 different methods for generating income online. The best part? These methods require minimal experience, no significant financial investment, and very little time commitment. Sounds like a dream, right? But let's temper those expectations just a bit. Now, the EIK has some bold claims, like forces $100 daily into our accounts anytime we need it, and it's impossible for anyone to not get results today with it. While these statements sound amazing, it's crucial to approach them with a realistic mindset. Let's break down a few of the methods included in the kit. First up, sharing your internet bandwidth. This method involves using apps that pay you for sharing your unused internet connection. It's simple to set up and can earn you a few bucks each month. But remember, it's not going to make you rich overnight. Next, completing surveys. Many companies pay for your opinions, and you can earn money by filling out surveys in your spare time. Again, the earnings are modest, but it's an easy way to make some extra cash. Lastly, performing online tasks. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk allow you to complete small tasks for payment. These tasks can range from data entry to simple research. It's a straightforward way to earn money, but it requires consistent effort. Now let's talk about user experiences. Some people have had great success with the EIK, appreciating its simplicity and low barrier to entry. However, others have found the earnings to be underwhelming and the methods to be somewhat restrictive depending on their location. So, should you consider the EIK if you're looking for a low-risk way to explore online income opportunities? It could be worth a shot. Just remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success will depend on your effort and the methods you choose to pursue. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Emergency Income Kit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and money-making tips. And if you're interested in trying out the EIK, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.